So hello guys, let's continue again. Let's understand pass statement in Python. The pass statement is a null statement but it gets executed but it won't have any effect on the code. It is not ignored. So why do we actually need pass statement? Pass statement is generally used as a placeholder because in Python we cannot have empty expressions. Suppose that we are working on some function, we have created that function but we don't know what to write inside that function. So in that condition, if we try to run our code, then it will give us error because in Python empty expressions are not allowed. So to avoid that, we can simply put the pass statement inside that function. Pass statement can be used with conditionals, loops and functions. Syntax of pass statement. Pass is basically a keyword in Python which can be placed inside loops, conditionals and functions. Now let's go for a hands-on practical. First of all, start the Python REPL by giving the command python. Now if I directly write pass statement in REPL, nothing would happen because pass statement gets executed but its output will be no operation. Now let's suppose that I am working on some function. I have defined that function but I don't know what to write inside that function. But still I want to execute it. So to execute that function, I can directly put the pass statement inside that and it would run without any error. So as soon as the function is called, it gets executed without any error. So if we try to make a function without a body, without any indented statement, then we will directly receive an error. Even though I have not called this function, but error comes up automatically. This error is coming because this expression is empty and in Python empty expressions are not allowed. So to avoid this situation, pass statement is used. In the similar manner, we can also use pass statement with loops. In this case also we are not performing any actual operation but pass statement is there, so the for loop will get executed without any error. Similarly, pass statement can also be used with conditionals. We can directly put the pass statement in the body of the conditional and it will run without any error. A small example is given on the screen. A pass statement is a null statement but anything above or below that also gets executed. So to demonstrate the same, I am defining a function in which I will be writing one statement above the pass statement and one below it. Everything inside this function will get executed as soon as I call this function. The print function will print the text whereas the pass statement will perform no operation. The output is given on the screen also. That's all for today. My new video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.